everybody, and welcome to the channel. So we've got a fun little unboxing today. This is the Trendmood box, and this is like volume 25 or something like that, and I've never gotten it, and I was a little intrigued. They sent me an email and I ended up purchasing it. So we're gonna unbox that. I did receive some PR. We are camping. Shout out to the hubs. He did get me this really pretty Yeti for Mother's Day. And how cute is this? This is from Temu. It's like a little straw cover. I flippin' love it. In case somebody is curious, the sticker on my arm, it is my M1. It links up with my Ultra Human ring. It is a continuous glucose monitor. I got these little mints, cotton candy mints from Buc-ee's. They're sugar-free and I'm obsessed with them, so I'm so sorry if you see that flopping around in my mouth. I really didn't think things through when I put one in my mouth. If you hear a noise, it's my husband. He's making a snack or something right now. But anyways, my headband, Temu, overalls, Halara. I will link everything that I can. But before we jump into today's video, a shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel each and every single month. To those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, big thank you. And for those of you that are sharing the video over on Facebook, thank you guys bunches and bunches. Okay, let's go ahead and jump in first to the Trendmood box. It was $39, and I think after tax it came to like $42-ish. So I felt like that was pretty kind of close to like BoxyCharm by Ipsy, which is running I think now like $35 or something like that for 5 products. This one I did not get to customize or anything. It's just already curated, and I think one of the items in there, what caught my attention was the brand new e.l.f. bronzing drops. Yeah, I know. You could go get those for what, $8, and here I am like, let's get it for $42. Okay, so everything is packaged really nice. We've got bubble wrap. You guys know how I feel about packaging. When I tell you, I must have literally not paid attention to anything in that email other than these. So this is the Pure Gold bronzing drop, and I am kind of curious about them. You guys know I have the Drunk Elephant debronzy drops. Currently loving because of Stephanie Marie, the Hue drops by Glow Recipe. So I was kind of curious about these. Now these, like the debronzy, you are supposed to put these in your moisturizer. Don't put them straight on your face. You will look hilarious. Why do you know, Rhonda? Mind your business. Alright, next in here is the JVN Complete Nourishing Shine Drops for your hair. Now, I've actually been sent products from this company before, and I can't remember what it was. I used it up. I liked it. So, this is a Nourishing Shine Drops. Oh, I thought there would be more of a scent. But we're down at the lake. So, for me personally, I love, it has a real nice clean scent to it. Feels nice. It doesn't feel heavy, which I really appreciate. But I plan on putting conditioner in my hair, and then just kind of giving myself like a conditioning treatment while I'm out in the sun and all of that, because you just don't want to dry out your hair, you know? So I think I'm going to actually put some of this in my hair as well with my conditioner. It's made with clean hemisqualane. I don't know anything about that. It's also silicone-free, sulfate-free, color-safe, and it is a vegan formula. And this just says apply to dried hair. It's going to be a silky silicone-free oil. It's going to add shine, gloss, and it's not going to add weight, which is great. So I'm going to just leave that sit out and leave that down here. Next in here, oh, I got the Natasha Denona Valentine's exclusive palette. Y'all know I love me some Natasha Denona, which by the way, Natasha Denona gave me a coupon code. I know. I was like, excuse me? What? Yeah, code Hotmess. It's gonna save you like 15%. Sorry guys, I'm using natural lighting, and I've got like a little tiny light, but the sun is going in and out. Oh, this is very pretty. Why did I not know about this? I feel like I'm a little behind when it comes to makeup. Would you guys want to start seeing, you remember how Samantha March started the Will I Buy It series? And I was doing that for a while there. There's like a whole playlist, and we can add our videos into there. And I was kind of doing it weekly, every other week, and then I just kind of stopped. I kind of want to start doing it again. Let me know if you guys would be interested in it. I know a lot of people do it, like Heather Austin does it a lot too. So I'm thinking maybe I'll start that back up just to get myself back into the makeup game. I really like this. I think the colors are really pretty. These palettes typically I think are like what, $27 now, and it actually came with a little brush too, which is really nice. Maybe I'll keep that. Maybe I'll do a video. You know what, I'm so annoyed with myself. Welcome to Queen Talk a Lot. I'm not gonna get to the point, okay? It's Gemini season. Let me live my life. It's birthday month. Be nice, okay? But lucky for you, I forgot what I was gonna say, so I can't continue on with that conversation. Next in here, I got Soft Surfaces Clearing Mist Medicated Breakout Tonic. It has zinc, salicylic acid, and salicylic acid in here. Okay, so fun little fact. When my vitamin D gets low, I get back knee. Guess who had been a little lazy about taking her vitamin D? This girl. So guess who is dealing with some back knee? This girl. Yeah, so I am now taking my vitamin D again, and I will be putting this on. How does this work? I thought it said it was a pump. Oh, is it a toner that I gotta use like a cotton ball? I swear it clearing mist. Oh, you got me. Well, I guess I have to dip it in there. Spray on clean. Just gotta look. Okay. So it's the Fine Mister. There we go. So that's nice. At least they included that. Weird it didn't all just kind of come together in one box, right? Okay, well, I'm going to definitely, I've got some at home, so I'm going to use this down here too. Alright, next in here we've got the Pick Me Up Volume Mascara by M Cosmetics. You know, I feel like I used to hear about M Cosmetics a lot from Kathleen Lights. I don't really hear about them too much anymore. So we've got, I like their component. It's a really nice soft purpley lilac color. Kind of smells like popcorn. Who else smells their mascara? Okay, so the wand is like really thin and fine. It's like kind of that hard plasticky feel, which low-key kind of reminds me of the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, which I know sounds funny. Everybody loves that tubey mascara. I was not a fan of it because I didn't like the way it made my lashes look, and two, I wasn't a fan of the wand. But I will try this out and keep you all posted. Alright, next in here we've got the Vacation Shake SPF 50 Mineral Milk. It's a facial sunscreen. I love the scent. Whoa, what is this? Oh, that's cute. I like the component. I like that it is like thinner. Kind of reminds me of like the Touchland antibacterial wash spray, whatever you want to call it. I wonder if this smells like the perfume. Oh! I thought it was going to come out down here. It actually comes out right here. Be sure to shake it up. That smells lovely. And that is not like the perfume that I have. I got the perfume I think in my FabFitFun. It smells very much like sunscreen. This is like a really clean berry scent or something. Floral. I don't know. I swear my sniffer works. I just don't know how to explain things. Alright, moving on. The next thing I got is the Revive Hydrogel Patches, formulated with a blend of DHM, green tea, B1 ginseng. Where do you put it? Put it on your wrist? Without sunscreen or lotion application, patch can fall off. What does it do? I guess it's got your vitamins? You guys ever heard of this? I mean, I'm willing to try. I mean, obviously I've been slacking on taking my vitamins, so plant-powered and dermatologist tested. Okay, a couple other things in here. Next in here, we've got the Jelly Lip Melt. Okay, I did think this looked kind of fun in the email, and I was like, ooh, yummy. So, look how fun that is. Isn't that so fun? How do you... Oh, this smells really good. You do have to like dip your finger in it. There's no like component. Just a fun little something something. Oh, there's another Tony Moly thing in here. So we've got blackberry, and this one is in watermelon. How cute is that? I don't like the smell of that one, but I definitely like the smell of the pink one. But these are fun little flippies, and I can pretty much guarantee my children will probably snag one. That was my first ever Trendmood box, and my thoughts. I kind of like it. I like getting the mineral sunscreen in here. I like that a lot. These are fun little things. Would it be my favorite? I don't know. We got Natasha Denona in here. it was like nice little mix. Let me know if I should do this again next month if I see something that piques my interest. Also, question, do you or would you all watch if I started getting the P. Louise box? I was talking to my girl Jody, and she was like, Rhonda, I love it, you know, it's really good, you should try it, the formula is excellent. And then there's a lady I watch over on TikTok that she unboxes hers, and it's kind of got me kind of intrigued. So I think it's called the budget box. Let me know if you guys get it. I think Tina, I think you were getting it for a while. Let me know, should your girl do it? All right, so we've got some PR. This is from YSL. I know, YSL has spoiled your girl. Like today, they sent over the Myself. I thought it was a perfume for me. Okay, it turns out it's for my husband. Okay, YSL. Well, I still sprayed it on myself. It smells really good. Like, I sprayed it on my husband, and the way it smells on him is definitely more manly, but on me, it has like more of like this clean scent to it. I really like it. So they did send this over, and if you're on the fence, I would recommend trying it out or getting a sample for it. It kind of reminded me of, you remember back in like 2007, 2008, Pink Sugar was really big, and then they had like the pink one, and then they had the blue, whatever it was called. I had one of my passengers on my plane was wearing this perfume, and I was like, you smell so amazing, what is that? And she said, don't laugh at me, but have you ever heard of Pink Sugar? I said, yeah. And she said, it's the man's version, and I'm wearing the man. I immediately went out and bought it, and I love the way it smelled on me. So this one, I'm gonna call it a unisex scent. I really, really like it. But with them spoiling me, they sent over the powder and the bronzer, and you guys know I love the Touche Éclat Radiant Concealer. I have that on today. So this is their All Hours powder. This is the only powder that I have on today. You guys know I typically will use like a powder under my eye and a powder in my T-zone and everything. But I've just been using this. I set underneath my eyes, which you guys know your girl has very dry under eyes. This does not make it look dry and crusty whatsoever. So that had me really excited. I set my entire face with it. Under my eyes, I did use a little powder puff that was included. And then I used like a big fluffy brush for the rest of my face. And you guys, it is, hold on, let me tell you, 85 degrees out, and I have been outside filming some TikToks and stuff. I'm really happy with it. I also have the YSL bronzer. This is in shade 3. This is beautiful. It goes on like a dream. It just was very, very comfortable, easy, didn't get patchy. It's bougie, I'm well aware. If it's expensive, I expect it to perform. You know what I mean? It's performing really good. All right, another new product that I do have on today. This is by OFRA Cosmetics Head in the Clouds Mini Mix Face Palette. Isn't that so pretty? So you're gonna get 3 blushers and 3 highlighters. And I know it's kind of a scary palette, y'all, but the beauty of OFRA Cosmetics powders and eyeshadows is the fact that they build up beautifully. So if you have a heavy hand like your girl, tap that brush, then tap it some more and tap it one more time for good luck, and then start building it up. So I actually have all 3 of these blushers on today. And then as far as the highlighter goes, I mixed all of them together and then swatched it on my hand, and what was ever left, I went like this with it. So the highlight is kind of like a mixture highlight. Very beautiful. It's a fun little summer palette. I don't think you can go wrong with it. And of course, code HOTMESS will save you 20% over OFRA. Next in here, I am trying this out. When I was at the Creators and Friends event, I actually won, it was like a $200 and some odd gift card at Surat Beauty or Surat Cosmetics, and Miranda actually helped me win that, so I split it with her. So we each got like $125 or something to get something. So I got the foundation, I got the, what's that called when you pinch your eyelashes? Lash curler. I got a lash curler. I got the lash curler, and I also got a bronzer from them. So I'm testing the foundation out today. So it's actually called the Surreal Skin Foundation. It's like a natural skin type of foundation that's medium to and builds up. I kind of really like the applicator. It's got your built-in little foundation brush. You pump the back and it comes out, and you just apply it. I got shade 6.5. I, of course, got the wrong shade. It's definitely too light, but thankfully between the YSL powder bronzer and the Huda Beauty concealer that I get in like butterscotch, I was able to kind of start matching my face a little bit better. Sorry if you hear the lawnmower. They're now cutting the grass right outside our camper. I got the lash thing. I got the bronzer, which I haven't even opened, but I'm testing out this foundation, and you guys, this foundation is nice. So it comes in a nice little satchel, and I think we have a coupon for them. I'm not sure, it might be like Hotmess. This might be too light, so I got the shade, I don't know, Soleil Dew. Oh, it feels really nice and soft. Well, I guess Haley's gonna get another. I just can't shade match myself, guys. I try. Yeah, you can't even see it on my hand. Well, that's okay. She'll get a nice little bougie bronzer. I'll probably try it out anyways, just so I can see the formula. It feels really nice in swatching, but right now the YSL 3, that ended up working out well. So this, like I said, was a little too light. Same with the foundation, but luckily I was able to get the foundation to work. And I have, just for reference, dry skin and mature skin, and I'm really liking this so far, but she is expensive. All right, next in here, Liquid IV sent over some of their goodies, and code Hotmess Momma 4 will actually save you money at Liquid IV. We love Liquid IV in this house. We also like Element as well. It's literally LMNT. That one is definitely more salty than the Liquid IV. If you want more of like a fruity treat, go with Liquid IV. So they sent over the lemon lime strawberry, as well as the sugar-free white peach and the yuzu pineapple. We love these. Thank you to Liquid IV for sending this over my way. And like I said, code Hotmess Momma 4 will save you. Sometimes it's like 10%, sometimes it's up to 25%, just depends. But they have an amazing amount of different flavors. Watermelon, Concord grape, you name it. They're very, very good. So anyways, thank you so much. And then Sigma Beauty sent over this lip collection. It's the Best in Class collection. You know your girl is going to be doing some reels on this. So it's like a whole pamphlet of their different products that they have for their lip. It's so cool. And then on the inside, check this out. I know, right? I was so excited. They sent over, these are the Hydra Melt lip masks, and I guess they're like a tint. So I'm excited to try these little pots out. And then we've got a bunch of different things. We've got their lip cream, which I don't think I've ever tried this before. No scent. I like that doe foot on there. Isn't that cool? That color is really pretty. So we've got those to try out. They also sent over their lip gloss, which I love. No scent, but all these different shades. Like, how pretty is that? Got a conditioning lip mask in here. Oh my gosh, all these little lip glosses. So anyway, stay tuned. Now Sigma also did give us a coupon too. It's Hotmess, and I think it saves you like 10 to 20%. I honestly can't recall, but they also sent over the Infinity Point lipsticks, and then the little balm, the lip balm. So thank you so much to Sigma. Thank you to OFRA, to YSL, to Liquid IV, to the Hubs. I mean, is that not adorable? Yeah, as soon as Yeti came out with this, I was like, and he was like, yeah, I know. You need a happy Mother's Day. So let me know your thoughts on Trendmood. Let me know your thoughts on the P. Louise budget box. And all information as far as these products and coupons and everything will be linked and listed down below. Let me know if you guys want me to start doing the will I buy it again, or just to kind of go over it. Not necessarily to buy it, but would I? Should I? You know what I mean? Anyways, check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. Hotmess in the house. And then, of course, Haley and I have a podcast, Unconditional Hot Mess, that we are now filming over there again. And then I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. I am so sorry if you guys hear all the chaos around. I purposely haven't done the laundry because it gets so loud, and I turned the AC off too this time. But I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!
When we first met, couldn't keep my hands away.